Hello, and welcome to a funny expression from English Coaching Projects. And today's expression is, I can't part with it. I can't part with it. Here's the joke. A friend of mine went bald a few years ago, but he still carries his comb around with him. He just can't part with it. To part can mean many things. When you say you can't part with something, it means you can't separate yourself from that thing. For example, I find it very difficult to part with my phone. I get really stressed. Another meaning is to part your hair, when you comb your hair. Obviously, if you're bald, you can't part your hair. That's why this joke is funny. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And if it's cold, put a hat on, especially if you're bald. Bye.